What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny, Birdy, Gator. You guys, they are still here. Or maybe if you haven't seen them yet, look in your store for the first time. These are the huge 50-ounce soft soap refreshing citrus refill bottles, good for 800 plus dispenses. It's such a great deal, you guys. I got some a few weeks back and I think I'm gonna pick up 2 more. But yeah, that is definitely a great deal. And I'm also noticing lots of new kids face masks, super pretty ones. We have rainbows, we have camo. These are the face masks that you can wash and reuse. We have unicorns, we have football, lots and lots of new face masks. We also have disposable ones that have been here a while, the sort of more thin ones, the solid color ones. These are little 2-packs. These are also 2-packs. I really loved those 10-packs of face masks that were like in a buffalo check print. My kids and I really enjoyed those. We liked those. We thought they looked cute. They were like gray and black and red and black, and we really liked ours. But I haven't seen those in a while. Okay, you guys, let me grab my soaps and let's see what else we can find that might be new. I think these might be new. These are the matching hand wipes that go with these little hand sanitizer sprays. I've never seen these before. Lavender, coconut. So you can have the wipes with the matching spray. I really like the hand sanitizer sprays. I have one that I use often and I just love it. And then we have these little 24 packs of hand sanitizer singles. I think that's what they are. If you want to just slip one of these in that little pocket, or even in your sock if you have no pockets, like maybe you're working out or whatever your circumstance may be, they have the single individual hand sanitizer packets that you could just use, and then you could just throw away the packaging. Ooh, what's this? The XL back scrubber for him. Ooh, look at this. The back scrubber for him. I'm definitely gonna get one of those. And what are these? More scrubbies. The XL back scrubber for him. I think I need to get both of these. And I think I need to get a cart, because for whatever reason I didn't grab a cart when I came in. I don't know what I was thinking, but yeah, I have no cart, and that's not good. Let's go down this aisle. Oh, this is new. Baby. Okay, now I'm gonna just have to set my stuff down again. Oh my gosh, you guys, we have really nice name brands this week. We have Arm & Hammer Essentials with Baking Soda Baby Foaming Wash and Shampoo. This is fragrance free. Really, really nice. And look, you guys, we actually have Pedialyte. We have Pedialyte here in grape. It is the 16.9 ounce bottle. Wow. Those are some really nice name brand finds. I can't believe the Pedialyte's here. I don't think I've ever seen Pedialyte in Dollar Tree before. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna get a cart and then we'll look at some more stuff. So now I'm all the way up here and of course, seeing new items. I think these are new. Cute little pens. Let's take a look and see if we have any new items up here for the week. Scissors, folders. The shirts are the wow of the week, the weekly wow. And then we have the red and white plates, red, white, and black on the main table. Ooh, what's over here? Some Halloween stuff. Look, you guys, they have the little Halloween trees. Halloween trees. That is definitely a first. Journaling cards. Stickers. We have little fabrics. DIY stickers. The spiders. These are cute. It's a little 2-pack. We have Trick or Treat and we have Beware, Black Cat Crossing. Then we have another 2-pack, Eat, Drink, and Be Scary and Spooky Greetings. These are new this year too. The little ghosts. What do they do?
Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat. Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat.
That's what we used to say when I was a little kid. Well, we never really said that when we went trick-or-treating because that would be rude. But, you know, that was like a little thing we used to say. We have little foam kits. The mesh tubes. You get 36 feet of mesh tubes. Wow. And then over here we have some fall items. You guys have probably seen most of these already. We have Family and Gather up there. Ooh, and look at these. The pumpkins. The monogram pumpkins. This is new. This little guy is new. Grateful and Blessed. And then I feel like I saw something new over here. Oh yeah, these are so cute. Look at these. These are so adorable. You get 8 in a pack and they're hard. They almost feel like little coasters. All the ribbons. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so cute. Look at the mini pumpkins. The mini pumpkins are like squishy and soft and they're velvet. They're so adorable. And then we also have the buffalo check and the orange and white buffalo check. Those are really, really cute. I like those. Let's come over here. Look at these, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm seeing even more. Look at these. Pink pumpkins. Pink and orange pumpkins. Those are really, really cute. These are definitely new. And then we have even more up here. These are really adorable. All brand new for the year. All of these stickers are brand new. Look at this one. It's even a little candle. They're so cozy. I love this one though. Look. I just love the pink. You guys know I'm obsessed with pink. We have really cute little rub-on transfers too for cups. A variety of them. And look, you guys, I found even more new nails for the week. Wow, they're just getting cuter and cuter. We have pink, the pink that's sort of marbled, and the purple. Yeah, you guys, there are a lot of brand new items for the week here in Dollar Tree. You guys definitely have to run into Dollar Tree. Even if you're just looking for the soaps, we have the scrubbers, the Pedialytes, the new baby wash. We have some new makeup that's name brand. We have the super cute blender traveling cases for your beauty blenders. It would definitely be worth running in. Anyways, you guys, that's it for me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.